There has been a long-standing debate over whether or not mathematical concepts are invented or discovered. Some believe that math is a human invention, created as a way to make sense of the world. Others believe that math exists in the world independent of humans, and that we merely discover it. In this video, we will explore some of the arguments for both sides of this debate.
Personally, I believe that math was discovered because it was developed independently by so many different cultures throughout history, including the early Egyptians that discovered the 10 numeration system, Indians that found the use of arithmetic operations, early Chinese, and so on. We humans might come up with a language that describes math is unique to us, like we call a three-sided figure a triangle. But nobody sat down one day and said the three angles of triangle should add up to 180 degrees because I like that number. It's just an unavoidable result of a triangle, and claiming that humans invented it gives humans more credit than they deserve.
When Newton saw an apple drop from an apple tree, he had an epiphany. That epiphany was the concept of gravity. Even though no one before Newton had ever thought of gravity, it had always existed, it had always made apples drop from trees. Newton discovered and put a name to the concept of an object being pulled towards the earth. He did not invent gravity. Just as gravity wasn't invented, math wasn't invented. It was discovered. So math basically describes nature and the events in the nature.
I think mathematics was invented because based on the meaning of invention, a device, contrivance, or a process originated after a study and experiment. The process of how the formulas came from curious minds who wanted to know how some things work. They made comprehensive studies to find formulas and other reasoning that composes math. The answer itself came from the meaning of mathematics, which is the study of quality, structure, space, and change.
For me, mathematics is both invented and discovered. Humans invented mathematical concepts to understand more of what is around us and how the universe works. Humans invented numbers, equations, and consonants, like for example the 5 postulates of Euclidean geometry. A straight line segment may be drawn from any given point to any other. A straight line may be extended to any finite length. A circle may be described with any given points as its center and any distance as its radius. And all right angles are congruent. We all know that these 5 postulates were invented by the Greek mathematician Euclid. Through his invention, theorems were discovered: the interior angle theorem, the alternating angles theorem, and the midline theorem. In short, mathematics is both invented and discovered. As mathematicians invent mathematical foundations, more facts and theorems are being discovered.
To sum up, there's actually no right or wrong answer to this question, as it largely depends on everyone's personal opinion. However, it's important to note that math can be both a discovery and invention, and as such, it is subject to the limitations of the human mind. That being said, there are certain patterns and truths in the universe that we may not have discovered yet, but which could be mathematically described. So while math may have been invented or discovered by humans, there is still a possibility that we have yet to discover all of the universe's secrets.
It has been a unanimous decision of the group to have a debate about whether mathematics is invented or discovered, since we find it a very interesting topic to talk about. Thus, no support was given to us other than the support of each member of the group.
What are the challenges we encountered while doing this task? The only challenge that the group encountered is that we planned on a virtual setting. It has been difficult to brainstorm as a group since we can find a moment where every member of the group is online all at the same time. My contributions are my opinion about is mathematics invented or not and my videos.
My contributions on this task revolves around researching and script making. I am involved in the planning and brainstorming brainstorming of the task, also in the generation of arguments that would help us strengthen our claims.
My contributions in this project are my research about my part, and I'm also the one who edited this video.
My contributions were my opinion, this video, and the suggestion of this topic.